Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you love the truth, then you're in the right place because today we're diving, no pun intended, into the murky waters of toilet cleaning products, specifically the infamous Splashfoam Toilet Cleaner. I discovered this product a little while ago when ads started popping up everywhere, promising sparkling toilets with zero effort. And guess what? I couldn't resist trying it out myself. So grab your plungers, folks, because we're about to flush out the truth. Alright, let's rewind a bit to when I first got my hands on the Splashfoam Toilet Cleaner. I was lured in by the shiny packaging, bright colors, and a magical foam that promises to dissolve grime like it's nothing. The commercials showed toilets gleaming like they belonged in a palace. So, I thought, why not give it a shot? I ordered the product online, and when it arrived, I was super stoked. But oh boy, was I in for a surprise. This is where the excitement took a nosedive. So there I was, armed with my splash foam, ready to wage war against my notoriously dirty toilet bowl. The instructions seemed easy peasy: just apply the foam, let it sit, and flush. I followed the instructions to the letter. I applied the foam, and nothing happened. I mean, nothing. The foam barely clung to the sides, and instead of dissolving in a magical cloud of freshness, it just sat there, like that one friend who doesn't get hints to leave the party. Seriously, folks, I started to feel like I was starring in some sort of prank show. Look at this guy who thinks he can clean his toilet with foam. It was embarrassing. I thought maybe it just needed some time, but I'll tell you, 10 minutes felt like a lifetime when all I was doing was staring at a foamy disappointment. And after that magical wait, I flushed, and nothing changed. I was left with the same grimy toilet bowl that I started with. It was like Splashfoam came with a side of "just kidding." Feeling defeated and a little duped, I couldn't let this end without digging deeper. So, I went online to check the reviews. And what I found, let's just say, I was not alone in this toilet tragedy. Countless reviews echoed my experience, people claiming that the product was simply a gimmick. A scam with a fancy name. Some brave souls conducted experiments, and let me tell you, the results were shocking. Think long green alien goo level shocking. One reviewer demonstrated that traditional toilet cleaner did a far better job in just seconds compared to the magical foam. I started to feel like this was an episode of Scam or Shine, where flashy marketing meets grimy reality. The truth is that it's always better to trust traditional cleaning methods over these quick fixes that honestly don't work. So if you're considering splurging on the Splashfoam Toilet Cleaner, please, for the love of clean toilets, rethink it. You deserve better than a foamy fantasy that leaves you with the same old dirt. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next wild ride of product testing. Until next time, keep your toilets clean and your skepticism high. Bye.